Ready to turn one plant into many? Let's get growing. Propagating plants is fun and rewarding. Imagine filling your garden with lush greenery without spending a dime. Today, we're talking about self-propagating superstars. First up, mint. This aromatic herb is a breeze to propagate. Just snip a stem, pop it in water, and watch those roots sprout. In a few weeks, you'll have a new mint plant. Next, meet the magical world of succulents. These hardy plants are beautiful and easy to propagate. Snap off a leaf, let it dry, then plant it in soil. With a little patience, you'll see new growth. In no time, you've got new baby succulents. How about some rosemary? This fragrant herb is great for propagation. Cut a sprig, plunk it in soil, and boom, new plant. Rosemary is useful in the kitchen and adds a lovely scent to your garden. Snip a vine, place it in water, and soon enough, it's ready to replant. Pothos thrives with minimal care. So grab your scissors and get propagating. Happy gardening! Enjoy the process and watch your garden grow.